Hello, everyone! Today, you will explore how to execute the parallel test cases across multiple environments. Testing web or desktop applications requires checking different environments. For web apps, this means various browsers or versions. For desktop apps, it involves different operating systems or OS versions. In this case, your testing becomes much more complex. Firstly, managing different versions, environments, test cases, and test runs can be a pain. Secondly, more environments mean longer testing cycles. This is where the issue of parallel testing across different environments really comes into play. Let's see how Aqua handles this effortlessly. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. Step 1. Identify the list of environments in which you need to perform testing. In our case, these will be simple desktop applications, Calculator in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Step 2. Configure agents for each environment. We need to define the agent in the native environment and in the second environment. So, navigate to the Aqua downloads. To launch applications in Windows 10 directly from Aqua, we use a PowerShell agent for integration with Aqua. We have already configured the PowerShell agent. Here's how we did it. We opened the file, for instance, using Notepad++, and then we changed two values. The first one is the agent code, and the second is the Aqua service URL. The URL can be found here. When it comes to the agent code, we need to configure the agent for the given specific project. In our example, we use a brand new shop project. We click Automation Agent. Here you see PowerShell. As soon as we switch to the Configuration tab, we get the unique access key. This is exactly the key that we need to paste into Notepad++. So, we make a few simple changes to bind agents to a specific project, then launch each agent in each environment. This preparation step would be similar for any other agents, such as a Unix shell agent for desktop applications or a Ranorex Selenium agent for web applications. Step 3. Prepare your test set. We go to the brand new shop project, click the Automation folder, and select a test case called Calculator Test Final. Instead of the steps, we see the PowerShell scripts that do the summarization. In our example of the execution, we will get the information whether the calculation was correct or the calculation result is not equal to 40, which was our condition. In the Data tab, we see two variables for the summarization process. So our test data is ready. To run this test parallel in two environments, we select the test case and add it to a separate test scenario. Step 4. Link test executions to your agents. We create a separate test execution of each test case for each environment in which it needs to run. Then we link each test execution to the previously created agents. In our example, PowerShell and PowerShell Virtual Machine. Step 5. Everything is ready. Run your test scenario. At this stage, Aqua allows you to run them sequentially or in parallel. If your test plan permits, go ahead and run them in parallel. As you see, our Calculator app was started in both environments, in the native machine and in the virtual machine environment, automatically, without any action. Step 6. Track your results. Go to the Execution section to collect the results of the entire test scenario, including results for each test case, test steps, execution logs, and so on. That's it. It's that simple. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70% and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.